In this video, I'll be showing you how I change my ChatGPT password to keep my account secure and up to date. I'm starting right here on the home screen, and to begin the process, I'll navigate down to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name to open the main account menu. From the pop-up options that appear, I'll select Settings to open the configuration window. Once the settings window is visible, I'll look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Security section. In this menu, I'll find the password option and click on the change arrow located right next to it. I can set my new credentials. I'll type my chosen new password into the first box, and then I'll re-enter that exact same password in the field directly below it to confirm there are no typos. I always make sure that my password is strong and meets the 12-character requirement for maximum security. Once I'm satisfied, I'll click Continue to save my changes and update the account. Finally, I'll be automatically redirected back to the home page, and my new password is ready to use for all my future logins. This is a quick and essential step for maintaining the privacy of my AI workspace and my personal data. If you found this walkthrough helpful for securing your own account, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials just like this one.